Hi friends, welcome to this video. I am Susana Lascano, and in this video I want to explain what everyone asks in all of my channels, on my Instagram, everywhere. How do I lighten my hair? Some people say your hair is natural, it's not. Before I was redhead, I will share pictures here, and my natural hair is black, so the people who know me knows it's not natural, but it looks very natural because the roots are not like super dark. So I will explain step by step how you can get this hair without bleach, without hair dyes, without chemicals, without anything that really damages your hair, with natural products, and most importantly, at home without the need of spending thousands, at the hairdresser. So if you like this video, stay tuned. Please subscribe to Golden Amazonia because I will be sharing tips with you here. And follow me on my Instagram too, or Golden Amazonia Hair Care on Instagram, everywhere. Okay, so are you ready to know the secrets? Before, I need to tell you my hair story so you understand this process, because it's a process, right? Nothing that is natural, that is good for your hair will happen, 1 second to the other. So, I was born with beautiful black hair. I am Latina. So my hair is super black and I like it. It's not that I don't like it, but I wanted to be Kim Kardashian. I'm sure all of you had a face, or maybe you didn't. I wanted to be Kim Kardashian. I said, you know what? My hair is black. Let me get a tan and I will be Kim Kardashian. But no, that didn't happen. I just can't tan. I'm too pale for that. So I said, okay, let me try to go for something lighter, and I decided to become a redhead. And I did. I achieved beautiful red hair following some of the steps from this video. But that will be a different video I will record after this one, okay? For this one, I want to keep the topic on blonde hair because I know a lot of you want to be blondes, but you don't want to be constantly at the hairdresser. You don't want to have terrible, ugly roots. You want to have some more of a transition. This method also works for highlights, for like a degradé, like darker hair and lighter hair. You can achieve all of this at home with natural products. So I will continue. So I became a redhead, but during the summer, we had a pool here, so I started swimming every day, and of course, the red hair, it fades pretty quickly. So I said, okay, let me try to go for a more of a natural red, maybe strawberry, blonde, or even the color I have now, which is like golden. That's why we named our brand Golden Amazonia. I wanted this kind of tone, and this is how I achieve it. So, for this tutorial, for this style, you need 2 steps. The 2 steps you will follow is number 1, lighten your hair is to remove the pigments, and number 2 is to tone your hair. You will then choose to go for a red tone, brown tone, whatever, or to go for a blonde tone. Let me explain. The first and most important step is to use a natural lightening hairspray or hair tonic, as we call it. So you probably know Sun-In if you're from America. I've used Sun-In for years, but the problem with Sun-In is that it has peroxide, and that damages your hair a lot. So I do not recommend that. You probably also know this one. This one is from Spain, but it's popular in America too. It's called Intea. Same thing. It works. It has some chamomile, some natural ingredients, but it has the peroxide, which dries your hair a lot. Probably you don't know this one is from France. It's Keranove lightening spray. Same thing, right? So this work, but they don't work as good as our product. It's called Resplandece Natural. It's a lightening hairspray with only pure natural products. I will read the ingredients. This has water, chamomile. This has aloe vera, which is so good for your hair. It repairs your hair actually. It has soy protein, wheat protein, hydrolyzed quinoa, hydrolyzed rice protein. So this does not only lighten your hair, turn your hair blonde, but is also hydrating, nourishing, really good for your hair. I bring this from Colombia. This is handmade in Colombia with 100% natural ingredients. I buy this from the owner and then bring it to America to sell it to you guys if you like it. So the first step will be to apply this wherever you need lightening. You can have only like little pieces of hair lighten. You can have the whole thing blonde, or only whatever, only the tips, whatever you like. This is progressive, okay? This is not like bleach that in an hour your hair is completely fried but blonde. No, this will go, slowly, but with one bottle I think you can achieve blonde hair. It depends on your hair and the color it is right now. For me, of course, my natural hair is black, so for me it takes a few applications. I will explain how to use it now. It takes a few applications to achieve my desired hair color, which at the moment is this one. I love the color I have right now, but the creator of this product, she has a beautiful hair. That looks so tiny. Her hair is super blonde. You can see that she achieved this super blonde hair using this product. You can get it to white using this product. Okay, so I will explain how to use it now. But first, let me show you the products I recommend for the second phase, which is the toning. And this is not paid promotion, of course, it's just that I highly recommend this product. If you have, like me, dark hair, if you have hair any darker than this, it will have some orangey tones. So sometimes, like once a month, don't overuse this or your hair will turn gray. But maybe once a month you can use this combo. This is from L'Oreal, of course, and it's some violet, purple shampoo and mask. Let me show you the mask. It's that dark. My God. This turns your bath purple. If you are taking a bath, everything will turn purple. So I don't recommend overuse. I don't use it very often. You can see it's almost full because I like this tone. I like some orangey tones. I think it fits my skin better, my eyes and everything. But if you want like that, ashy blonde, the combination of this product and sometimes the shampoo or the shampoo and the mask will do. But that's just once a month. The rest of the hair washes you do, I recommend using our shampoo and conditioner. We have products especially for light hair. They are also 100% natural, just like our conditioner. You can get it here. It's so big, it's almost like this. You can get a lot of product and your hair will look the best it's ever looked. Or if you can find this, I also recommend this. It's from Intea too, a Spanish brand sold in America. The point is you use a shampoo for blonde hair because that also helps. The bad thing about this is you can see it has so much water. It's so liquid. It's like for everyday use it's fine if you wash your hair every day, but our shampoo is better for that, and once a month this. Okay, so basically, long story short, step 1, Golden Amazonia hairspray lightening. Okay, apply after you wash your hair with damp hair on the parts you want to lighten, and apply some heat to speed the process. Or you can skip the heat, it will be just a little slow. Apply until you get your desired results. Maybe that depends on how often you use it. We recommend 2 to 3 times per week of use. And then you only need to reapply on the areas you want to lighten your hair. For example, for me, I love the color I have all over my hair. I don't want any more lightening. I'm happy with these. The only parts I will eventually reapply are the roots because obviously my natural black hair is growing. So I will apply around here, around my hairline, That's the only place I will reapply this after my shower. Sometimes if I, for example, if now that the summer is coming, so I probably want some extra lightening, I don't know, just for fun. So now, for example, that summer is coming, just for fun, I will apply before my hair wash with my hair dry, only on some parts, just for fun to give a little touch. And that's it. I recommend you visit goldenamazonia.com to get all of these amazing products. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. If you prefer red hair, by the way, stay tuned because next I will upload how to have natural red hair at home following this same process to achieve super gorgeous, orangey red hair. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Adios. Gracias.